Hello Deki, today I want to solve LeetCode 647 palindromic substring. What is meant by palindrome? Generally palindrome it is nothing but whenever we want to read one particular string from starting, it should be same as the backboard as well. Forward and backward should be same. Okay, let us give some sort of example. Madam, when you read from the starting towards left to right direction, it should be like a madam. And whenever you starts reading from towards right side to left side, it should be same pronunciation. It should be like a mirror string. So here they are expecting substrings. They actually given one sort of the string. They are expecting the number of substrings which are palindromes present in the given string. So we need to count the palindromic substrings here. Here actually the actual string is s is equals to abc. Here palindromes are a, b, c, like individual characters. Now we are jumping to the second input example. S is equals to triple a they have given, and they are expecting output should be like a 6. Like whenever we are considering the single characters, like a are three characters, so we can increment the count for every possible palindromic substring. So now for the single length of the palindromic string, it should be 3. Whenever we are considering the two characters, like a are possible, and this from first index and second index a are also possible. So we got 2, and for the three characters we got like a. It should be like in same. Whenever we are reading at the starting to ending, same pronunciation, and from the ending to starting, same pronunciation. So the total number of possible palindromic substrings are here 6. So let us jump into the problem solution, and we'll get to identify the logic. Yeah, here actually the main logic behind this palindromic substrings question should be like we can calculate the palindrome based upon the odd lengths and the even lengths. It's completely depends upon the center of the odd lengths and center of the even lengths. Let us take one example. This is nothing but an palindrome. ABA is a palindrome, but here the length of the string should be an odd length, and here center of the string is B. This is the odd length palindrome. For the even length palindrome, let us consider two characters A, and here the center of the palindrome should be like it should be lies between both A's. So I can say that this should be the even length of the palindrome. Now I am considering this edge case, and let us jump into the solution, and we can get to know some more about the problem. So first of all, I am taking the for loop as a center. So for that I am just considering for the number of possible substrings, I am just considering result as 0, and I am considering for loop for I in range, it should be length of s and now I am considering the case for the odd length center. So for that I am taking two variables, one is left and another one is right. I am initializing both variables to the ith index, and now I am just checking with the while loop if the palindrome, if the we can expand left and right if they are existing, means expanding while characters should be matches. If the left and the right characters are same, means we can say that palindromic substring is present. So we'll increment the result count, and also we decrement the left pointer and we'll increment the right pointer. So I'll take it as a point and I'll apply the condition for this one, and after giving left len of s and s of l, it is nothing but an first index, nothing but in 0th index. S of l is nothing but in 0th index. If it is matches to the s of right, it is nothing but an last character of the particular string. If it is both are matches, starting and the last are matches, then we are going to increment the result count by 1, and we are going to decrement the left pointer by 1 and right pointer increment by 1. Same thing, like we are going to, this is for the odd case, so I am just pointing this is for the odd length center. For the even length center, we are taking L as initially I, and R should be like I plus 1. So I am considering L and R here. I am just taking L is equals to I, and R should be like I plus 1 the index. Now I am not changing anything, simply I am returning the same code, whatever the code we have write for the odd length logic. So while len greater than or equals to 0 and or less than or equals to len of s, and s of L is equals to s of R, then we are going to increment the count of the result, and same thing we are following for the odd case, even case as well. And at the end we are going to return the count of the result, like how many number of possible palindromic substring exist in this given character, given string. So the solution is accepted. Now I am going to submit the code and test for the hidden test cases as well. Yeah, it is passing. Like the thing is that the time complexity for this approach is like here, like each center expands up to like big O of n, like every time we are doing big O of n times. So we have taken two times, one for the odd case and another one for the even case. So here the time complexity, overall time complexity of the total centers is equals to like 2n. 2n, it is nothing but n like big O of n square. So, and for the space complexity, here we only used only variables, so big O of 1. Thank you.